92 Mustang 5.0 NRG wheel, Zeta short shifter, upper Reaper T5, 0304 Cobra seats, front and rear, really nice. All new carpet, bags on the bottom cut off. FR 500s, 18x10 rears, 285s on them. Door bushings are good, doors shut nice and easy. She's a little dirty right now, I got some rain spots. Holes from a license plate. Gray paint's not perfect, most of the blue paint is. 235s in the front, 18x9s. 0304-ish Cobra 13-inch brakes. You can see here, paint's not perfect, some chip spots. Like I said, she is dirty. About the biggest flaw she has is this dent right here. It is creased a little bit. Some flaws there. Little chip right there. Minor chips in the back, throwing rocks and stuff. .340 horse Ford crate motor from late model Restro, I believe. I have the receipt for it. Camber plates, ceramic coated BBKs, BBK X pipe, Flowmaster dumps, aluminum heads, Turbo X swirls, stock intake manis, 24-pound injectors, AC works, heater works, some silicone hoses. I believe it's either a dual or a triple core, fully aluminum radiator. PMAS MAF, slot style from the newer Mustangs. BBK cold air. Had to make a short ram for the PMAS though. 70mm Edelbrock throttle body, EGR. It's been deleted. Here's a little delete piece and then the plate where the EGR would go. More silicone hoses. MSD Dizzy. It's at 12 degrees right now. Fuel pressure regulator or gauge, BBK, FPR, MSD coil. Has a quick disconnect for the battery, kill switch. Runs and start fine. It's got an E-cam, Mall forged pistons, forged rods. Got about 5,000 on the black.